Why do Bitcoin prices soar? Bitcoin has increased for the 8th session in the last 10 days and is on its way back to 4 consecutive months of gains, after 6 consecutive months of decline, a record that could not be achieved before. Bitcoin increased by more than 100% compared to the low in December 2018 at $3,200, and so far, electronic money has increased by 70%. There are 4 main reasons for the sharp increase in Bitcoin prices. First, technical indicators. According to Rob Sluymer, a specialist of Fundstrat Global Advisors, Bitcoin's long-term technical indicators continue to show a new rising cycle. With Bitcoin surpassing the resistance level of $6,500 at the time of writing, similar to that time in the second quarter of 2015, the pullback will not be surprising. Moreover, Bitcoin broke above the 200-day moving average, MA, and on April 23, King of Crypto appeared Gold Cross, in which the 50-day moving average exceeded the level 200-day moving average, emphasizing its upward momentum. The second reason investors join. Arguably, Bitcoin's biggest battle is making people use it. Whether a value store or a means of exchange, digital assets have struggled to attract attention, especially from institutional investors. But, according to a recent survey by Fidelity, this is gradually changing. Boston-based $2.460 asset manager says nearly half of institutional investors believe digital assets can play a role in their portfolio, while 22% have owned several types of digital currency. Maddie Greenspan, senior market analyst at eToro, said they witnessed steady growth and adoption in the industry and prices began to match the use of Bitcoin. Next calls feeling excited. Bitcoin, for the first time in a while, is shedding bad news. The crypto industry has encountered many hiccups since Bitcoin was born, including theft, hacking, scam, multi-level, Ponzi, or using electronic money for illegal activities such as extortion, buying and selling weapons, drugs, counterfeit drugs on darknet. In fact, bad news from Bitfinex, Tether and Binance could not negatively impact BTC. After a temporary sell-off, Bitcoin continued to march higher. If it was half a year ago, I don't know where the market will go. Tom Lee said that when the news did not affect Bitcoin price, the BTC was so strong that it absorbed the bad news gently. The current BTC is like cypress pine, no matter how big the wind is. It is difficult to fall. Final cause, can gold reserves be transferred to Bitcoin? On May 1, Grayscale Investments, a subsidiary of Digital Currency Group, launched a provocative advertising campaign to promote Bitcoin as a better alternative to gold. The campaign, using the #DropGold social media hashtag, promoted Bitcoin as a better value repository, saying it was safer and borderless. And, it turns out that gold bugs are watching. One day after the campaign was launched, the World Gold Council gave another explanation about why electronic money cannot replace gold. Extremely variable cryptocurrency daily interrupts its use as a means of exchange and discourages strategic investment, he wrote. Adam Perlicki, Director of Investment Research at the World Gold Council. But, advertising may have caused some investors to reassess their gold investments. On May 7, 6 days after the advertisement began, GBTC Grayscale Bitcoin Trust rose 4.5%, topping the list of the most actively traded stocks on the OTC Market Group.